Well, happy Friday, my dear friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. If this is your first time here, we would love to have you just click that subscribe button below and turn on your bell ringer so you would not miss anything that is coming on this channel. Now, today we are doing a lovely DIY that is very quick. So let's get started in today's tutorial. All right, friends, so last week we did a lovely design using this flower match wrap technique. You can check that video out right there in that iCard. Now, I want to place it around the center part of this taper stand. That's what I want to do, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Now, you're going to start right here. Make sure your flower match wrap is not touching the top part at all. That's what's very key to this design. So you want to make sure it's at least right there. This is how it should look when you have applied your hot glue or E6000. You want to make sure that it's even across. Now, I am using hot glue. You all can use whatever bonding glue you want to use for this technique. And I'm making sure, like I said before, that the flower match wrap is not touching the top or lifting up towards the top at all. I'm carefully placing it on there. And if you can move it around just a little bit before the hot glue dries up, you can do so. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut what I do not need, and you can check that video out right there why I do things like that. I do not want to cut through the flower match wrap because it will make the design look off. Now we got that hot glue down, we're securing it, and I need to remove this hot glue because you guys know I hate it everywhere. It can be so messy. Now you can do it where you can do each flower match wrap individually like in this iCard here, but I'm not doing that today. Now with this brooch, I'm going to bend it. And the reason why I'm bending it is because I want it to wrap around my taper stand at the bottom. Be very careful when you are doing this because you do not want your pearl that's right there on top, my friends, right there, to pop off. Once you have your bonding glue on top of your taper stand, you can place your candle on there. Now, I got mine from Bath & Body Works. Just cleaned it up real good. And here's the iCard right there to show you guys what I be doing with these candles. Now, that's just a silver leaf-and pin that I'm going around the top, just making it pop out a little bit more. I know you all seen another brooch, but I did change out the brooches because I want you to be able to also use this for a Sweet 16 if you would like to. This is another brooch that I added to the bottom of it, and I will show you why. Okay, everyone, so I got these knobs from Home Goods, and I have used it in a video before. Now, all I'm going to do with it is take it and slide it in between the two brooches and lock it in. If you do this design, make sure you use a strong bonding glue because you do not want your knob to fall off of your design. And this is the design we used it on. I have that iCard right there for you all. All right, everyone, let me know what you think down below, and also what you would use it for, a wedding, an event, or something just around your home. If you have not signed up for the classes for next week, please do so by checking out our website or just checking that pinned comment down below. All right, everyone, you have a beautiful and blessed weekend. And guess what? Lord willing, I will see you in the next one.